Hey, my gang and my crew! Today, I'm going to show you a Hungry Shark evolution hack that will give you unlimited money beyond your wildest dreams. So as you can see, guys, we're pretty broke, but we have the button right here that lets us add gems. So I'm going to turn this on, and now the gems should start increasing. So as you can see, this is the current amount, and it's really nothing to talk about. So let's see what happens to the Hungry Shark evolution account if we feel, oh my gosh, I didn't have to say nothing, it arrived in the account. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this for 2025. No computer needed. All right, my puppies, let's go. Okay, so first thing we have to do is navigate to our browser, and what I want you to do is type tweakmod.com. Head for the search bar and type Hungry Shark. Now you will see Hungry Shark. Press install, and before it downloads there will be a verification. Do not cry, this is the last step and it is very easy. You just have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions, 100% free, and this will install it into your device. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, so let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it shouldn't take that long, and I've tried this a couple of times, have to say, pretty impressed. For those of you who don't play Hungry Shark Evolution because of money concerns, you can now get every shark in the game for free. And you already saw it working, so you know that this is totally updated. So as you can see, it says missing files, so what I have to do is download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. So like Family Island says reach level 10, it's a game, so I could do that. Underdog Fantasy, down and run for 30 seconds. Travel Town, reach level 9. If you don't want to do the game ones, just do like one of them that says download and run for 30 seconds. Those are pretty easy, but yeah, try it out, guys.